Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Yogita Singh, your English educator. Scholars, as you all know that we already finished our 3 chapters from student book, and that was the part of environment, our environment. Okay, so today I am going to start new lesson, that is chapter 4, children of the digital age, and this lesson comes in second part, that is our country. Okay scholars, okay, digital age means what is the meaning of digital age? When everything is digitalized. Okay, so let's start scholar. Okay scholars, so our fourth chapter is children of the digital age. It's written here, digitalization has changed the way we live. Means previously however we were spending our lives are totally changed now. Now we are dependent on computer life, right? Each and everything we are doing with the help of computer. We are trying to do like that because it makes our work easier and less time will be there. So here it's given 10 years from now, what are different things that you will be able to do using your phone. Make a list, be as imaginative as possible. Okay, so what you can do with the help of your mobile after 10 years, how much advanced it will be, that you have to imagine, and you have to make a list that which type of work you can do with the help of your mobile after 10 years. So you have to do it by yourself. If I have to write, I can write that I can open my door with the help of mobile. I can unlock my door with the help of mobile, and I can write that maybe after 10 years I will get such kind of chargers which can charge my mobile within 2 minutes. Okay, so such kind of things I am imagining. You have to imagine by yourself, and you have to make a list here, at least 4 or 5 things you have to write. Okay scholars, this picture is given in your textbook, right, on page number 45, and it's given, let us read this story on how technology and gadgets have changed our lives. How technology and gadgets means electronic devices. Okay, how these two things, technology and electronic devices or gadgets, have changed our lives. We will compare here two types of lives, when technology and gadgets were not there and how it was difficult to spend our life, and now at present how its gadgets make our life easy, that we will see here. Okay, the train chugged in at the railway platform and came to a screeching halt. The train chugged in at the railway platform. What is the meaning of chugged here, students? Here, the meaning of chugged is move slowly. What moves slowly here? The train. The train moves slowly at the railway platform. One train came slowly while stopping. Train always becomes slow, right? So in the same manner, train enters into the railway platform and came to a screeching halt. Means screeching halt means it stopped but with its regular sound. Means while stopping, train is giving a loud sound, so a loud horn. So with that sound, with that loud sound, train stopped at the railway platform. Kunal, Sonal, I am so sorry that you had to wait for 3 hours at the platform to receive me. The train kept getting late, said Granny as she got down and hugged the two children tightly. Okay, who came, scholars? Granny. Who came from the train? Granny came out from the train and she hugged two children tightly. While that she was saying, Kunal, Sonal, I'm so sorry that you had to wait for 3 hours. Means she was saying to that two children, her grandchildren, that she was late because train kept getting late. Train was late, because of that she came late, and because of her, her grandchildren had to wait on the railway platform. She thought like that, and she said sorry to Kunal and Sonal, her grandchildren. Kunal and Sonal are her grandchildren. Okay, and she when she came out from the train, she hugged her two grandchildren very tightly while saying sorry. No, Granny, we reached the station only 2 minutes ago. We knew the exact arrival time of your train. Kunal has been tracking the train, all the stations you crossed, and at what time online on his mobile phone, said Sonal. Okay, so what Sonal said, that no, Granny, we were not waiting on the platform. We reached the station just 2 minutes ago. Why we came just because we knew the exact arrival time of your train. How they knew about the exact arrival time of the train? Because they were tracking the train time on mobile. Who was tracking? Kunal. Kunal means Sonal's brother. Kunal was tracking the train, and he was knowing the exact arrival time of Granny's train. Okay, so who told these things to Granny? Sonal told all these things to Granny, that they were not waiting at the railway station. They just came before 2 minutes, and they were tracking the arrival time of train. That's why they were knowing about the exact timing, and they were tracking how they were tracking online on their mobile. Really? How I was so worried that you both were waiting at the station in the summer heat. Then grandmother said that, really you came now, you were not waiting. But how it's possible that you tracked my train timing on your mobile? I was so worried that you both were waiting at the station in the summer heat. Granny was worried when her train kept getting late. At that time she was so worried that her grandchildren were waiting. Maybe they were waiting on railway platform. So she said, she expressed her emotions at that time. Hey, hey, Granny, the Railway Inquiry online portal gives live updates on all trains. So, no more endless wait games. I can even book or cancel tickets instantly standing right here, said Kunal. So, when Granny was telling her emotions, that she thought that her grandchildren were waiting on platform when her train kept getting late, she was thinking about them. So at that time Kunal said that he was laughing, and hey, hey, Granny. So after that he said that the Railway Inquiry online portal gives live updates. Now everything is online, grandmother. We can see all updates of train on our mobile. So now because of these gadgets, there is no more endless wait game. Means we should not wait for anything. Now these waiting games are over. I can even book or cancel tickets instantly. Means it's not essential to stand in a queue to book or to cancel any tickets. I can book or cancel any tickets instantly, means on the spot, by standing there or from anywhere. He can do all such things because he can do all these things online with the help of his mobile. All this information who was giving to Granny? Kunal was giving all this information to his Granny. How nice. You know, your grandfather and I have spent endless hours waiting in queues to first book tickets and then anticipating train arrivals. Earlier, we go to know things like arrival status and ticket confirmation of waitlisted seats only when we reached the railway station. Okay, so when Kunal gave all this information to Granny, Granny was so happy. She said, "How nice! You know, your grandfather and I spent many hours, endless hours, waiting in queues. This picture is showing that how people are waiting in queues to get their chance to ask or to get any knowledge from these counters." Right, so in this way Granny told that earlier when these gadgets were not there and when this type of technology was not there, at that time how they were waited in queues for many hours. So earlier we got to know things like arrival status and ticket confirmation of waitlisted seats only when we reach the railway station. For all such information they have to reach to railway station, but nowadays we can get all kind of information in our mobile. It's not essential to go to railway station, right? Later on, the railway inquiry telephone number started giving an estimate of the delays. Okay, afterwards, after few technologies, what happened, it was not essential to go to railway station. They can call to railway station counters and they can get information, but that information was also not exact. It was estimated. Estimated means approximate, near to correct but not exactly correct. Times have changed, all for the good. So Granny said that it was before, now everything is changed, times have changed and everything is for good. These things changed because of goodness, for everybody's easy. Let's head home. Where is the car parked? Then Granny said that let's move towards home. Where is the car parked? She asked about Sonal and Kunal's car. Granny, the driver is on leave today. I will just book a cab, said Sonal. Then Sonal, what she said, that Granny, today driver was on leave, so we came by ourselves and we will just book a cab. Who said this? This was said by Sonal. Cab, you both came in a taxi by yourself. You both are still children, hardly in your teens. Who said this? That you both are still teens, you both are not adult, you are still small. Who said? Granny said that how you both came in taxi by yourself without any adult, without presence of any adult. How you both came by taxi? You are still children. She was very caring for her grandchildren. Granny, relax. I am booking a cab through my mobile phone app. See, it is showing that a cab is available just a minute away. It's a white sedan, so we will fit in comfortably with your luggage. It will cost us around rupees 300 and we should reach home in about 55 minutes. I will just call the cab driver and coordinate on the exact pickup location at the exit gate, said Kunal. Then what Kunal said, that Granny, relax. I am booking a cab through my mobile, means I can book cab with the help of my mobile. I have one app in my mobile, with the help of that I can book a cab. See, in that app it's showing that cab is available near to us and it will arrive to us within a minute. And which type of cab it is? It is a white sedan. Sedan is a kind of vehicle in which 4 people can easily sit, and there is a separation between driver seat and customer's seat, and there is a separate cabin to keep luggage. So he said that he booked white sedan, so they all three and with Granny's luggage can come in that vehicle comfortably. And how much cost they have to pay? Rupees 300. At what time they will reach to their house? Within 55 minutes. Okay, and I will just call the cab driver and coordinate on the exact pickup location. So he said everything means all details came in my mobile. I have to just give a call to the cab driver to tell him exact pickup location. So I am going to tell that we will wait for him at the exit gate. Who said all these things? These things are said by Kunal. He was telling all these things to his grandmother. Okay children, I think this story is very interesting and we will continue this story in our next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.